Well, hey guys, and welcome to my closet. Today, let's take a look at a few of the wigs I wore in February. All right, February has come and gone, believe it or not, and I can't believe it. Already, we're in March, but I didn't want to miss a chance to show you a few of the wigs I wore last month, and y'all, there are some good ones. This one I have on, I fell in love with when I put it on my head. This is one of the new ones from Renee Paris. This is Lauren, and this color is Snowy Umber R. I love this color. I have shown you this color in another wig, but this is the first time I tried Lauren, and I'm telling you, this is a good one. I love all of the waves in this. It's super low density. I did an unboxing over on my Instagram, so if you want to go there and see it right out of the box, you can see how I did it. Y'all, this is a beautiful style. Now, if you're new to my channel and this is the first time you've joined me for one of these, I'm not reviewing these wigs. I've already reviewed them. This one I have not, but I will. Stay tuned. I will have a full review here on this channel, but I just got it and I wanted to show you because I wore it all last week. Now, again, if you're new, if you see one of these wigs you want to know more about, just put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and all the information will pop up. This is just fun, fast, and showing you a few of the styles I enjoyed in the previous month. Okay, this is one I have not worn in a long time. Don't you love it when you go in your wig closet and you pull out something you haven't worn in a long time and you're like, yeah, I remember why I like that. That's how this one was. This is Beltress Newport and my color is Raw Sugar Blonde R. Y'all, I'm going to reorder this wig in another color. I have worn this previously. I wore it all the time. Then I kind of put it away and forgot about it, and now I'm wearing it again. Beachy waves, love it. Low density, of course, like all Beltress styles are. Y'all, this was at one time one of the most popular wigs they had, and I believe that it needs some more love, especially for me, so I'm going to order it in another color. All right, here's the style I have repurchased time and time again. And you know, when you're needing a wig that you know is going to look good, you know it fits great, you love the colors, you love the style, that is when I know I have a winner on my hands. And I do believe this is one, Raquel Welch Cruise Control. And this color is Rusty Auburn. Y'all, all-time favorite. Leave in the comments. I want to know, have you tried this wig? If you have, what are your thoughts on it? And what color have you tried it in? I want to order another color. I think I have it in 2 or 3 colors already, but I want to try something I haven't tried before. So tell me if you've tried it, what color you got it in. I love the sleekness of this. I love the movement. I think it's very wearable. The length of this one, it has a beautiful cap. It really does have it all. All right, wow, do I love this color. Now, I know before we go any further, a lot of you don't like these gray colors that are rooted. That is perfectly fine, y'all. That is fine. Everybody doesn't have to like the same things. I, however, as you know, enjoy these. This is Ellen Villa. This is Esprit Soft, and this color is metallic gray rooted, and oh my goodness, do I love it. I think this style is adorable. I love the length. Look at this length. It's not going to rub on your clothing. It's a perfect length. I think they hit a home run with it. I like the color. That's just me. I was in Dallas last week, and my daughter and I went to the big Sephora store there. I always do that when I go. And we were shopping. I had 3 different ladies stop me and ask me about my hair. I know that's not for everyone, but if you're thinking about it, you might try it on this style. I think it works perfectly on this. I do not think this rooting is as dark and black as we have seen previously. I'm just going to show you this up close. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. I love it. But of course, it comes in lots of different colors. As a matter of fact, if you're not following me on Instagram, I partnered with Ellen Villa and we gave this style away to someone in the color of their choice. So be sure you're following me over there because I got some good stuff coming up. Okay, so there are always wigs we're going to keep in our wig closet, right? And for me, this is one I hope I always have. This is Aesthetica Designs Mellow R30 2826. It's a classic for a reason. I've always liked Mellow. I have it in so many different colors. I think it's affordable. I think it's wearable. It has a nice beachy wave. It's just that classic style that I think so many of you like as well as I like. Have you tried it? Let me know. Okay, again, Renea Paris. This is such a beautiful, sleek style. If you like a low density, sleek, mid-length style, you might look at this. Renea Paris Isla and Gray Jar. Y'all, this color, I think this color is so pretty. Again, really low density. Love that. Look how pretty this color is. They did such a nice job with this wig and this color. It's soft. It has a lot of movement. It's affordable. It is great. Have you tried it? I want to know. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. That's what I have today. I hope you found something that you liked. I want your feedback on everything. Let's talk about it. Tell me your favorites of these. This was so much fun for me. I look forward to doing more of these. If you haven't followed, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for stopping by my closet today, and I'll see you next time.